Severe thunderstorm. Sunlight. Severe thunderstorm. Sunlight. And look at the trees are just dead calm. Yep, that's encouraging. I see a little blanket lightning. I probably should not be out here much. Wow, those clouds are absolutely rocketing. I have a feeling that's a sign I probably should get. I think I better get back in. Let's try this again. Spot right there. Chunk out the shingle there. Of course, there's really no support. Well, you all just watched a clip of an epic hailstorm. And so, this is about like my third time trying to shoot this. And I figured I'd show some of the roof damage. A couple spots down right where I'm pointing to with my shadow. Of course, once I get to filming, the traffic goes crazy, but it was totally calm when I wasn't filming. I'm gonna have to pull, that's a Sirius XM antenna I was playing with. Unfortunately, I think my unit is too old to get anything off the free demo that they let you basically test your radio with. There's some spots there, bird poop. And then this ridge is bam, 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 bam. The lighting was better earlier. Unfortunately, all the chalk marks. Oh, wow, there's a couple good spots. I hope I'm getting these on film because I really cannot see. I can't see them in the LCD because of the, with the sun above me. But you can see in the ridge. Now, all I ever saw was golf ball sized hail, but the insurance adjuster actually spotted damage that he attributed to baseball sized hail. That might be one right there. I'm not sure. But trust me, there's all kinds of big old gashes in this less than 7-year-old roof. But mainly for YouTube, but both for my own personal sake, I wanted to document this. Since I'm going to have a new roof, I'm finally getting around to painting this fake sheet metal chimney. Hello, wasp. They've been hanging around the house a lot lately. They can't really... Whoa, that one is getting a little too friendly with me. Don't know how well they're going to come up on video, but lots of nice little divots in the roof. This area right here seems to have the most concentrated area of damage that I can see. Just from right here, I can just see all kinds of... But the insurance company gave me their estimate of what it would cost to replace the roof. And I've got my estimate from the roofer, the same guy who put this roof on. And the money numbers are pretty close. They're all within, you know, a reasonable margin. So that's good. Insurance is pretty much going to pay for the new roof. They have the old one stripped and the new one put on, so that's good. There's a dinged up roof vent. You can see where that ceiling on the top has gone bye-bye. That's just the denting of it just busted the seal. One thing I've been doing, I think I started to touch on it before we were interrupted by the wasp, is since I gotta have a new roof anyway, I'm finally getting around to painting that fake chimney. It's got like 4 coats of primer on it right now, of rust inhibitor by Rust-Oleum. 2 different kinds, so hopefully I've got it good. I'm not good at spray painting. I'm half tempted just to coat it with house paint, but I don't know how well that'll work. But anyway, the color I bought is very similar to the color of that primer, and I think that primer color looks stupid. So I'm just gonna get some white. Anyway, there's that. Another roof vent with a big old ding in the top of it. Here's a lady with her kid walking down the street, and I didn't want them to have to listen to me or think I was weird. They're jamming early in the morning. Yeah, that's your car to jam in, a Nissan Altima. I wouldn't be surprised if I know whose house they're going to, actually. But there's even over here. Let's give the... Doesn't seem to be quite as bad over on this side of the roof. The roof is what I'm going to concentrate on, but I'm going to make a couple other notes. One thing that's encouraging is pausing for traffic. The insurance adjuster actually commented on, he literally said, whoever put this roof on did a really good job. And I passed that along to my roofer because, as stated, I'm having the same guy do it. Same guy who did this roof that got destroyed is putting on a new one. So anyway, I think that's about it that I'm going to cover on the roof. I just need to climb back down the ladder. And so we're going to pause for a portion I've already filmed concerning that yard shed. And then I'll be back here in a second. That yard shed, despite its dilapidated state, insurance said, we'll replace it. because it did get beat up pretty good despite all the rust. So if I replace it, they're gonna give me 250 bucks for it. So I'm actually gonna put some money with it and buy myself a bigger one. Here's the west facing side of my house. I'm bringing you back here to show you. Bam, bam. Here's another spot here. These windowsills, I think that's the right word. Just looks like somebody just took a hammer to it. Anyway, this whole back side of the house is, the insurance guy said, needs new siding. He has spec'd out new grills for some of these windows. And in fact, if you look, this has been, oh, in fact, looky there. I just now noticed that. There's another crack. So anyway, here's more damage. New gutters all the way around, I believe, have been spec'd out. That light's probably going to come down and not go back up. It's not, I don't think it's installed correctly to begin with. So, and I got to pull down that Sirius XM antenna. That's, I already mentioned, I'm probably going to have to pull out this line to that regular FM antenna. Well, it's a TV antenna, but I'm using it as an FM antenna. So anyway, we'll see what happens with all this. But I just wanted to have a more complete video than just the hailstorm.